Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on your iPhone Air in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the quick and the easiest way, it's going to be using the volume up button and the side button. The key here is to press them at the same time and then let go. So just like that, I have taken a screenshot. Now once you take a screenshot, what I can do is go ahead and see there's an option to do full screen. In the setting, I can go ahead and do that. And if I do that, I can go ahead and enable basically screenshot to capture car display if you want that. And then the format as well. And then if you want the preview, you can select it as well, which will display the full preview instead of showing a temporary thumbnail on the corner. So I can have that enabled. And now if I go back, let's go ahead and try to do a screenshot again. Just like that, I have a screenshot, and then I can go ahead and adjust it accordingly with the cropping tool. There's also other markup tools you can do here. And then finally, you can also share it right away, or you can just simply click on OK to save it to Photos, Files, or Quick Notes. So I'm going to save it here to Photos. So that's going to be one way. Now another way is in your setting, if you happen to have Siri enabled under Apple Intelligence and Siri, you can say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." And as like that, Siri can also take a screenshot. Now another way you can also do a screenshot is you're going to go to Settings, Accessibility, and then click on Touch, and then scroll all the way down to Back Tap. And you can either use a double or a triple back tap. Basically, we can select one of them and then select Screenshot. And that basically allows the phone, when you double back tap on the glass or triple, it will basically take a screenshot just like I did right now. So you can see here I have a screenshot as well. Now another way is if you wanted to take a screenshot even with all of this is by using in the setting here, you're going to go to Accessibility and then go to Touch and then go to Assistive Touch, and we're going to turn on Assistive Touch, which is basically a virtual home button on your screen. And if I click on it and then click on basically Device, click on More, I can take a screenshot as well through this menu. So again, different ways to take a screenshot on it on your iPhone Air. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.